number 0. Pass to number 18. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 0 again. Intercepted by number 0. Pass to out of bounds. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Good ball, good ball. Good ball. Good balls by number 0. 10-14. 4-point lead by Team Vasquez. Franco. 15 seconds to shoot. 2-1 by Franco. Pass to Franco. 10-16. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 26. Wala, rebound by Magdal. 3 minutes exactly. 2 points by Jerome Tomas. 12-16. Pass to number 26. Wala, rebound by number 0. Wala pa rin, rebound by Kama. Pass to, out of bounds. Symbol lang, symbol. Symbol lang atol. Two points by Shockley Kama. 2-point lead by Team Vasquez. 2 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. 15 seconds to shoot. 16-14. 2 minutes and 25. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 0. 18-14, 4-point lead. Wala, naman by Jero. You see 2 points by Jero. 2-point lead again. 2 minutes and 2. Labas.
Bola.
Bola, tangina mo! Joke lang. 2-point lead, 16-18. Sila, Vasquez, Team Vasquez.
Uy, parang may the best. Parang gago lang. Nakabigay sila no.
Kiss, intercepted by number 0.
Mas ko na eh.
Foul.
Boss, stop time na pa 2 minutes. 1 minute 59:20. Stop na. Kalaban natin sila dyan, no? Hindi mo tayo dito. No, dyan ka na sa kabila. Kalaban namin kayo.
Shockley Kama.
Kalaban namin kayo.
Pass to Damasco. Pass to Magdal again. Wala pa rin! 2 points by number 0. Score! 0-18. 1 minute and 38. Intercepted by Jerome Damasco. Galing nun. 2 points. Change favor. 20-18. 2-point lead. Intercepted again by Magdal. Good ball. Wala pa rin! Rebound by Magdal again. 1 minute and 15. Hit. Wala pa rin! Rebound by number 26. 1 minute and 10. Score! 20-18. 2-point lead by Team Magday. Ano po ang ating nato? Gitna na lang daw.
Ay, malalaw nag-charge. Dali. Kuya, mamatay. Pindutin mo lang sa pindot. Kaya kay Sa'yo, sa dalawa kami dalawa?
Dalawa. 1 minute and 10. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Miss na? Same ball. Kaya 2-point lead by Team Chapli Kanga. I love you. Sabi ni Best B. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Good. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Take a three. Wala, rebound ball. Foul. 50 seconds remaining.
Tayo na.
Oy!
Matigas rin si Ivan. Tao ba?
Matigas nga yun ang balbo. Matigas yung balbo.
Ganyan din ako nung kabataan.
Sumabay ang gago.
Ano po ang hatol?
Kakainitan sila eh.
Hindi, dapat call si Ivan dyan. Call si Ivan dyan.
Siya pwede tumawag ng foul kasi sa kakabilang tuloy. Ayun, di ba? Boss, bawal yun.
Sab!
Kamusta ka? Ivan, ano? Okay ka lang, Ivan?
Aya.
Bad! Dai!
Aya, Ban.
Bad!
Oo, meron pa.
50 seconds remaining. 14 seconds to shoot.
Ang ina, tumba ka dun ah.
O, pasukin mo naman yung girlfriend mo. Cooks.
Wala ko nga eh. Oo,
Alaman mo naman na ako eh. Ito na, alaman mo na
bibigyan
ako.
ko. Sigaw ko.
Ay, secret ano? Tagdan yung sa kabagi. Sa kabagi.
Secretos.
Hello. 40 seconds na lang po ang remaining. 50 seconds na lang po ang remaining.
Hindi sumabay.
Tapos 40 seconds ang shot clock.
Sumabay kasi si Ivan eh. Yeah? Sumabay kasi si Ivan eh. Ba't di na sinabay ni Ivan?
Good.
Ba't di na sinabay ni Ivan yun?
Kahit naman mo. Sino ba lamang? Sila iba.
8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Take a three. Wala. Wala pa rin.
Sabi ko eh.
Okay, 40 seconds ulit. 40 seconds ulit.
Sila, 28.
Sila. 2018, 2.3.
Team Kama.
30 seconds remaining. 10 seconds in shot clock. 5 seconds in shot clock. 3 seconds. 3 seconds remaining. Ay, foul.
Foul lang yung kumapit eh. Kumapit. Foul, kumapit.
Foul.
Oo, kami.
14 seconds. 14. Foul yung foul.
Kakalaman natin. Challenge, oh.
Good. 10 seconds to shoot long two. Wala, rebound by number 0. 14 seconds to shoot.